This is how this combo will look like, okay? What's up guys, Bartek. Now we on a part 4 of this video series for Calisthenics Bebop Flow. Now we've learned 3 movements already. So we done the 1-2, we done the 1-2 switch to the other side, and we also done the hook. So this is your first combo that you're gonna put together, okay? So now you've practiced the separate movements and you're gonna put it all together. If you haven't seen those videos, make sure you come back to the part 1 and start from the beginning. So now that we've got 3 movements, so we got 1-2, we've learned that. We also learned the 1-2 switch, and we also learned the hook, okay? So you're gonna start first with a 1-2 to one side, you're gonna do it to the other side, and then as you're coming back, you're gonna switch, and again, switch, and then as you're coming back to the hoop, and then other side, yeah? And then switch. So that's your first combo that you're going to put together. Now make it slow, so this is how you're going to practice it. Go up, 1-2, come back, and again, come back. Now we're going to switch. So remember, with the arms, grab, grab, leg, leg, swing back, so using that momentum. And again, now as you're coming back, you want to hook, switch, let go, 1-2, and they're going to use the momentum from this 1-2 to do the other hook. Okay, and again, back to switch. Make sure you practice these movements separately, because when you can't do them without basically looking and you know them off by heart, it will be a lot easier to put it together. But when you get more experience, this is how this combo will look like, okay? Okay, the faster the better. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you follow this series, because it will really help you to get your flow better. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.